So if your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max is locked with a parental control pin and you can't open settings, neither launch apps like Netflix or Prime Video, let's see how to either change it or reset and remove the pin if you forgot it without even factory reset or losing any of your data. Alright, so if you just want to change it or turn it off all the way, it's pretty quick and simple. Open settings on your Fire TV Stick. Now, there are two ways to get to parental control, either from accounts and profile or from preferences. So whatever source you're going after that, get to parental control, enter your PIN to verify. If you want to tweak some settings, like you can turn off PIN protect purchases, in viewing restrictions, you can go through general, family, teen, etc. and unblock it for a different age group where the lock is showing. One step back and turn off PIN protect app launch. And, stuff like that. If you want to turn off parental control all the way, just hit parental control option, put your PIN, and just turn it off. You can also change your PIN by using this change PIN option. Just enter the option, and then create a new PIN, re-enter the PIN to verify, and done. Now, if you can't enter any of these settings and forgot your PIN actually, in that case, you're going to grab any device, a smartphone or computer, open a browser, and search with amazon.com/PIN. Hit enter, log in with your Amazon account email, and then password. You can verify if needed. And then you will end up in this change PIN section. Just create any PIN that you're comfortable with, and then press save. After that, go back to your TV Stick's parental control settings, put down the new password, and that's it. You can keep using it from now on, or just like before, turn off parental control by verifying with the new PIN. That's it. Forgotten PIN removed without erasing a single data. Thanks for your time.